Dom everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. In today's video I'm going to be doing an Indian bridal makeup look. So without any delay, let's begin the thopa thopi of our face. So the first of all, I'm going to be priming my face, and the primer that I'm going to be using is the primer from NY Bay. So guys, so for foundation today I'm going to be mixing two foundation, which is this foundation from Mama Earth and also my all-time favorite, this Maybelline New York one. So let's mix this up. So first of all, I'm going to be taking this Mama Earth one, and also I'm going to be taking a lot of foundation because ब्राइडल मेकअप जो होता है ना, उनमें लोग बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब फाउंडेशन यूज़ करते हैं. तो see a lot of foundation, and now let's mix match it. Okay guys, so the foundation is already done. It's very nice, cakey and blended already nice. So after that, let's conceal our dark circles or any dark spots that we have on our face. We're using the Swiss Beauty concealer. So the concealer is already blended, and now let's set our face with a setting powder or a loose powder. I'm going to be taking this NY Bay loose powder, and I'm going to be taking a lot because we need to set this face a lot. So first of all, I'm be setting underneath my eye. After setting our face and locking our makeup up, now it's time for contouring our face to bring our face into shape. So for contour, I'm going to be taking this NY Baker contour palette, and I'm going to be contouring my cheekbone first of all. And on my forehead. So guys, the contouring is also done, and after that let's add some blush. And for blush, I'm going to be taking the Swiss Beauty Craze palette blush, cream blush, and put it on my cheek right here. After that, let's do our eyebrows. For eyebrow, I'm going to be taking an eyebrow pencil and kajal and shape my eyebrow. So guys, so the brows is also done, and after that let's do our eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking this Nykaa Kabaddi Peak Wala palette, and today I'm going to be doing red smoky eye. No? So for that, I'm going to be taking this shade, which is a red shade, and apply it right above our crease over here. Then उसके बाद I'm going to be taking another palette, which is from a Swiss Beauty palette, and then I'm going to be taking a flat brush and going to be dipping on this brown shade, and इसको apply करूँगा मैं अपनी crease पे here. You can see. Then after that again I'm going to be taking that red shade and इसको blend कर दूंगा इसके ऊपर to blend out the edges. After that I'm going to be taking this black shade and using a same brush and इसको अप्लाई करूँगा यहाँ पे. Then after that I'm going to be taking this brown shade and again I'm using the same brush and then I'm going to be applying it on my underneath my eyes. This red shade and applying right above the brown. Then after that I'm going to be taking this liquid glitter shade and then applying it right on the lid here. After that again I'm going to be taking the same brush and let's look about I'm going to be taking this black shade and then जो ये line हो जाता है ना rough and then उसके ऊपर blend कर दूँगा इसको तो just edges में अच्छी तरीके से blend हो जाए. After that it's time for an eyeliner. For eyeliner I'm going to be taking this Maybelline New York eyeliner and then let's draw a wing liner. So the one eye is all complete and let me do the other eye real quick. So guys, the bottom of the eyes is also all complete and now let's add some glitter. So for glitter I'm going to be taking this shimmery shade and put it on my nose right here, on also on my cheekbone. And on my cubic bone as well and on the chin. So the face is almost done and now it's time for our lips. So for lips I'm going to be taking this red lip shade from Swiss Beauty. After that let's set our face. For setting spray I'm going to be taking this Grace setting spray from Swiss Beauty and spread all over our face. Okay guys, so the full face is already done. I have put on some lashes as you can see, and so yeah, so this is the whole makeup all complete. This is the whole makeup all complete and I hope आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगा, and if you guys enjoyed watching this video then please like this video and also do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.